Today's job is a ramp replacement. If the ramp is soft in any point, then it needs replacing. The wood underneath has started to rot, and once it starts to rot, it will go very quickly. This ramp looks in really good condition. Nice runners, nice top mats. And this patch here, I can actually move with my hand. It's clearly rotten underneath. Expect that the top was replaced without replacing the wood underneath. This is a bit of a false economy because the wood will eventually rot quicker than the other components underneath. I have now removed all the top coating of rubber and the runners that were on this ramp. This is the area of the soft patch. As you can see, this area is totally rotten. The wood now has no strength, and you're straight through to the outer skin of the lorry. There's another really bad patch at the top there where the water runs down the ramp and sits by the hinges if you let them get wet in the rain and then close the doors. Always, if you've had a ramp exposed to heavy rain, next opportunity on a dry day, open up the ramp and let it dry out. This ramp is now going to undergo a full replacement of all the wood to make it safe again. At the moment, it's not even safe for me to tread on, let alone a horse. When replacing the wood, I always use 18mm phenolic coated ply as the minimum standard. This ply will last longer and is much safer in use. You can always tell phenolic coated board because there's a brown coating which is shiny on one side and grippy on the other. Always ask for phenolic coated ply when fitting a new ramp or floor.